Alright people, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to show now how we are spray the goat them. Get all the ticks them and the lice them or anything like that. Yes people, so we all make sure we spray them off so any grunage, anything, kill out the same time too, you know. Spray them good. Remember man, no ticks, no lice, no grunage, goat them in a better condition, you know. Can see them shine and look good. Because we always make sure so we keep them up to date, you know. Make sure every weapon him get spraying them, man. Nice look around out a big boy, you know. So nice, man. Well done, big boy. You do a good job. See, boss, yeah. All I heard one time, people. Quick and fast, you know, and better. Not now waste anything drop on the floor, kill all insect. That's one of the main reason why we do it in a pen, you know. So we spray run off of them, go up on the floor and anything they on all that are dead too. Cause you want anyway which part them asleep, you know, and no ticks or no lice the rest of night, you know. See boss I jungle. Yeah man, people, now don't forget to like and share them and subscribe to the channel. Even at them hand people, if you spray something, you know, get out everything said away.